Hello, welcome to Lecture 6, Part 2, but this is the third part of the lecture. So within this lecture, I'm going to do a really brief introduction to the videos that have been assigned to you for this Module 6. So here are a couple of things for you to consider. How are you assessing the alignment of your process within your grading practices? And then what changes do you need to make to ensure you are meeting all needs, meeting all students' needs, even when negotiating teaching time with standardized testing requirements. So I feel like in the secondary setting, the biggest challenge is the teaching time and just the whole environment and things that you cannot change. So I'm hoping these two examples. The first example is the formative assessments in a high school setting. So like I said earlier, you cannot sometimes change the summative of assessments that are set, end of course exams, the MAPS testings that you have to do, but you can change your formative assessments process and also maybe some of the summative classroom assignments that you can create. Depending on your classroom or your school policies, you may not be able to create the actual summatives. For me, I've been into a couple different dynamics where there were grade level assessments that were approved by the grade level, the leader, the department leader, or however they're phrased now, or coach. And those were set and we couldn't change those, versus in other situations I've been in, I can create whatever I wanted to, while others, everything was created around the MAPS exams, and those were summative assessments, so I only had creative powers within the formative assessment. So the first example is within high school settings, and I know those can be applied to the secondary or the middle school setting, and they're super cool. So make sure that you keep an eye out for things that you don't know that you're interested in using, and if you need a cheat sheet for them, I'll bring them on. Now this one looks at the differentiated assessment strategies, the ongoing assessment within a middle school setting. I love this guy's face, by the way. He looks very bored. Anywho, I hope that these can help as well. They show some pretty cool ways of getting to where you need to be in regards to how to shape ongoing assessments within the secondary settings. So here are the resources for that. These are formative assessment classroom techniques, and then ongoing assessments, the one of the videos and the other one. And the focus, like I said, is only on formative assessments, because the dynamics of schools within secondary settings sometimes do not allow teachers the autonomy to control the type of summative assessment that they have. So the only thing, or a great use of time, would be to focus in on the process by which you get there, and then making sure those standards are integrated into the process. So hopefully these are useful, and you will complete this activity by responding to the video reflection. That is a group discussion. Have a great day.